Twoloosebricks and Lego friends. Yes, I'm still on the Diagon Alley kick, and right now we have the Leaky Cauldron. Only the cauldron is not leaking and it is not hanging because I have the cauldron here and I'm going to hang it right here. So let's just go in the front door, shall we, and see what we have inside. Well, actually the inside is kind of boring. There's not much there but a couple candlesticks. I'm thinking that I might come out this way with it and build it out long this way. And put the archways like as in the actual movie when Harry found out about Sirius Black. However, I don't know about space requirements in my display. I may just have to leave it like that. And if that's the case, you're really not going to see any detail inside of it because of where it may be going. So if that's the case, I don't want to spend a lot of time with detail in the back and put a lot of detail in it, and sort of not being able to see it would kind of defeat the whole purpose. But I used a multitude of different bricks and elements on this piece, both combined of Mega and Lego, and also Block Tech. And I used Block Tech because they were there, the parts were really cheap, and Walmart had them on sale, so I was able to get them and use them. So I used the Block Tech brown here. It's a totally different brown, really, but it does work. The roof is Mega and the pillars are Mega. The archway is a Mega, and I think maybe the ladder might be a Mega piece too. It's just stuff I had kicking around, and I didn't want to spend a fortune or use a lot of bricks up on particularly this building. It's a pretty plain building. If you look up the Leaky Cauldron on anything, on Google, Wikipedia, or whatever, it doesn't even have windows in it. It's just a bare wall with a door. So I wanted to give it some kind of texture and thought. So once again, if you check out Universal ones and the Wizarding World ones, the pictures are all different. So come up with whatever is in your imagination, and that's what I came up with this. I had a thatched roof, so I figured I might as well use this thatched roof piece and use that for that, and it would work well just as a roof. So, put a little rooster out front, even though he is silver. Why not? My hippie just running around the street type of thing. So that is my Diagon Alley build number 4 for my Diagon Alley. It's another MOC that I came up with, and it is building number 4. So if you have any comments or questions about it, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and I will respond to you and try to answer as best as I could. This is a dark looking building, so I kind of went with the darker tones on it, even the split gray and black wall pieces on the side, just to give it that feel of darkness, because it looks very dark from the outside. And of course, when the night bus pulls up to it and the hunchback comes out, and escorts Mr. Potter in, it's just got that dark feel to it. So anyway, that's what I tried to come across and convey into this piece. It's very plain, it's very basic, but yet it works for me in my Diagon Alley. So that's it. I'll talk to you again shortly. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.